Hiya, how are you today? Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm here really today to set up my cash stuffing envelopes, and that would include the savings challenges that I think that I've decided to use. Also a mini haul from She's on a Budget here on YouTube, her Etsy store, and also the binders that I'm going to use. Let me get started. I got these from Amazon. I do like the clear binders. These are all bent. I hope it straightens out at some point. I'll have to put something heavy on it. So I got two. I can leave the link if you'd like to know what store on Amazon that I got them from. So I will need one, and I'm going to use this one for all my savings challenges. I've set up the 1 penny challenge, the £5 challenge, the 52-week challenge, and I've got Friday roll the dice challenges here, and I'm hoping I'm able to do it every Friday. I'm not sure, but I'll see how that goes. I'm so glad that I decided to do this savings and budgeting, because I ran into a problem. I've just had a new bathroom fitted, and the builder needed quite a few materials as he went along. I didn't actually budget for it, but I had to dip into every little thing that I had to get the supplies so the bathroom could be finished. That is one thing that I'm going to concentrate on with my sinking funds. The 1 penny, the £5, the 52 weeks, and the Friday roll the dice. I'm going to try and see what day I can allocate for rolling the dices. Right, we've got that there. And also here are the sinking funds. Oh, before I start, I did do my first penny challenge, and that's in a jar. There you have it. I started it with these pennies, so that'll be for the 1 penny challenges. And I've got to put the date on. I've got to keep a track. But it was last week. What's today? Wednesday. It was last week. It was Friday. Last week Friday. So I've got to do it all over again on this Friday. I'm really pleased with that. So that's the jar for the 1 penny. That's the £5 challenge, and I did £10 for that. So I've got £10 in here. The 52 weeks I started with the £20, and I haven't rolled the dice as yet. I'm waiting to get some dices. And then now for the sinking funds. For now, because I know that I'm going to be changing things, you know, adding or omitting things, envelopes. So this is what I've started off with. Hobbies, going out, well-being, and the first video I did about the budgeting goals, I did explain about saving for some things I wanted for the house. I will link the video above the screen. So I've got the armchair, I've got the speaker stands, I've got hallway, I've got home improvement, emergency funds and savings. So that's what I've got for the sinking funds. But saying that, I think I'm going to have long-term and short-term ones. So I may allocate another binder for that. I did get these freebie printables. I've got here the freebie printables from I can't remember, but I'll try and link it in the description below, but I can't quite remember. I did go back to look to see if I could find it, but I couldn't. So these are for the tracking. I need to get some more. And then I've got a card here. It is a discount card saying thank you. And I get 10% off my next purchase. And I got this sticker. I don't know why, but I just liked what it said. Budgeting is not about limiting yourself. It's about making things that excite you possible. I've got that. And then here is a 3-month challenge, which I really like this because I've started in March. I'm going to challenge myself to reach this £450 every quarter. So then, because I think what have we got now? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. It's got 10 months, so I can do 3 times that. So I'm going to definitely challenge myself to this 3-month challenge. Then we have the cash card to take to the bank or the post office for your cash. But I do like supporting the small businesses. This one's the penny challenge. And this one is the 6 months challenge. The total for the penny challenge is £671 and 95 pence. And the 52-week one is £2,295, and this is a 6 months one. I think I can do the 3 months and the 6 months one. That'd be good at one time together. And this is £945. So I'll try my best and see what I can do with that. I needed to tell you that I got these challenges from the Aesthetic Budget, and she's on Etsy as well. They were printables and I laminated them, so I've got that there to do for good. Yeah. The Friday roll the dice, got these printables from Etsy. I can't remember the seller, but I will try and leave the details below in the description area. And in all fairness, I do like the mini ones, so I went straight ahead and got these, and they had the $sign, but I just whitened it out and put the pound sign in because I really like them, and I may laminate them as well. just so they last me, because it is about budgeting. Let's just get that out of the glare. There is some really nice fun ones out there that I would like to, you know, get at a later date. The challenges and the sinking funds, and I will get started on them for the second week. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. But this is such a fun way for me. I'm really excited to keep on at it, and it may not be a great amount of money, but it is something that I can save. So take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.